Hello, Madam and Sir. My name is Evelyn Pajares. I am 41 years old, a single parent with two kids, ages 19 and 13 years old. I am a Christian and I am currently living here in Metro Manila. And I have finished 2 years course for as a teacher. And my currently job is an online teacher for almost 3 years. And I also have experience as maid for almost 7 years. My employer name is Rolda Navarro, and my responsibilities there is to taking of their children, cleaning the house, and cooking, and also cleaning the car and gardening. And to my future employer, I hope you will choose me and to be part of your family as your maid. And I promise to do my best because I am honest and responsible woman. And then I'll sing. If you're happy and you know and clap your hands. If you're happy and you know and clap your hands. If you're happy and you know and you really want it, show. If you're happy and you know and clap your hands. Thank you.